is you're going to have slash math, yes. They're going to have, you're going to put 6 down by each one of these numbers. She's going to give you here, and put it in her nose.
You put the 10s and the 1s on opposite sides. I watched you do that earlier.
You do,
Okay,
you
I've
do.
never
But
done
right
that.
now we're just going to do the 6th one. So you put the 6 ones, and this is just great. It keeps their place. They can see there's 6 ones there, and you go through it. Okay, and the child will do this themselves. Yeah, it has to be on there. So now you're going to pick up 6 from the top. You're going to put it on the side of your hundreds frame, where the ones would go. It's your right-hand side. And you're going to ask them, do you have 10 yet? Okay, they'll say no. So you're going to take the next 6 down, and you're going to place it on the mat. And you're going to ask them if they had 10 yet. Then you're going to take this 10 and move it on the left-hand side, and have your 2 ones there. So you'll ask them how many rows of 10 do they have. They'll say 10, and you're going to slash it. A slash is worth 10, remember? And you're going to put the 2 ones here.
What about that 6 at the top?
That was the 6 right here that was added to this.
Okay.
6 was added to 6. So 6 and 6 are 12. So here's 1 10 and 2 ones. Okay, and you have it just exactly on their thing. Then you're going to take the next 6 that was here, add it to the 2 ones. So that's where this 2 ones is. Everybody gets confused. Well, what do I do with these? 2 ones and 6 ones is 8. Do you have 10 yet? No.
No.
So you're going to get the next 6. Add it to the... Add it to the 8 that you had there. And this is right. Am I doing it? 6, 7, 8, and 6 are 14. Okay. So you're going to put, you have 1 10 here, and then the 4 ones. You're going to take the next 6, add it to your 4 ones. Do you have 10 yet? Yes. Push it over. Make your slash, because that's your 10, and you have 0 left. You don't have any ones there. So you're going to take those 0 ones and put underneath your 6 row of ones. You're going to ask them how many 10s do they have. Now you have to remember when they're working with this, they're looking at here. They aren't paying any attention to what's in their book, so you have to guide them. So you're going to say, yes, you have 3 10s. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you take that 3 10s and you put it just above the 6 there. Okay, so 3 10s and no other 10s is 3 10s.
We're missing 6.
I don't know, you probably have too many.
So you're basically not paying attention to all those 6s anymore. It's just the slashes and the numbers on the
Right,
side.
at the end.
I think that's the part where a lot of people
Yeah.
get confused.
So what you're going to do, now we're going to go to the next problem. If you did the next problem, you would do what you have your 26, 26, 26. So what you're going to do, you do the ones exactly like we just did. So it should look like that. So fix up your sides like that. Your ones. I'm sure you have your slashes there. Except, Karen, this 3 has to go right above the 2, because it's not 100.
Oh, yeah.
See, if she's going to show that on me, I don't know.
Did you get that bit? I'm not paper yet.
This is the right way. Yeah, and the 3 has to go right above the 2.
Karen's only a teacher.
Okay, so now you keep these 3 10s here, because that's your 3 10s up here, and now you're going to go 2 10s, 2 10s, 2 10s on your book. So it's going to look like right above it, right on the other side, like you said, Chris. Your 3 10s up here, so you're going to get 2 10s, 2 10s, 2 10s, 2 10s, and 2 10s, and put it in the book.
I very rarely have the kids take out manipulatives for this. I should be, in all cases, having kids take out manipulatives.
They probably won't be doing this with Unifix cubes. But if they're in the beginning stages of slash math, then
You would
yes,
send them with manipulatives,
I-
and we should.
they have
Most
to.
of them, like by third,
I know that.
I don't
second
know.
to third grade,
Some of them goof up, and I have to go back and say, how come this slash, actually Jade was one of them. She had the right answer, but the slashes were all over the place. So then you
so
know
then you
that
just
they,
bring the cubes out, the
because
manipulatives.
then you know that they aren't understanding.
Okay.
Because I think she had 9 and 3, but she had the slash on 3. That was 3 and 9. Slash here and just wrote the right answer.
2 rows of 10, side view.
Side view. Oh,
All the way down, Chris, your 2 10s, all the way down.
Oh, I know, I didn't know if there'd be enough.
a bit
Oh,
fancy
here's-
now, Nancy.
So you can mix up the colors.
Seems wrong somehow.
It doesn't work that way.
They have to open it up. Oh, silly. I think go get more yellow.
5 rows, not 6.
Poor Izzy, I'm turning her into a freak too.
Oh,
Yeah, me too.
she had no.
I counted it up and down.
Do you have enough?
I didn't listen to my kids, I said.
Okay.
So that's
Oh, that's a snap. Okay,
sorry about that.
Didn't know they became projectiles.
Give me, you help me.
okay. Ready, mostly everybody?
Almost, yeah.
Okay. Okay, and then those go right across from there.
Ah, okay, that makes sense. Because we're having them represent the actual 2.
Some came out.
Yeah, I can handle that.
Got it. Okay, so now you have your 3 10s already on your tray. To that 3 10s, you're going to add your 2 10s on the top. And you're going to put it on your tray. Now with this, you're going to end up that you should have 2 trays. Okay, but I don't have enough trays around, so. So now you ask them, do you have 100 yet? Chris, you can't do that.
Sorry. What was I doing?
Are you rushing ahead?
Sorry, yes.
It's the same thing I had to do in preschool.
That was a weird flashback. Like, what?
I have a story I could tell them about. Too funny.
Oh, you're going to tell us now.
I'll share with them someday. I don't
Okay.
want to embarrass them.
Oh, I don't mind. Whatever.
Oh yeah, this is me. What should I tell them?
I don't care.
I've told them this story. Yes,
Yeah.
I told them this story before. Do you want this on tape? I don't think so.
Yeah.
I'm not editing.
And I can't tell the story because I don't. I'll tell it after she's not doing it.
You're asking me to edit.
You can't just stop and then start.